Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This season we are taking requests from our customers, so Emily will read you the request we got.
She wanted a ceremony install with Kinsley, Marlowe, and Millie incorporated. And we'll put her inspo pic here. So yeah, she wanted a little bit of our Marlowe install that we did a while back with a grounded arch in the center. So that's exactly what we did. And I love how it turned out. Super colorful.
Super cute. So the products needed
are 5 of our Kinsley Grand Centerpieces, 5 of our Millie Posies, 5 of our Marlowe Posies, 6 of our Kinsley Posies, 3 of our Millie Garland, 3 of our Marlowe Garland, 1 tall gold stand and 1 short gold stand, and zip ties that can be found on our Amazon storefront.
Yeah, and so her budget was $1,000 to $1,500.
Yes.
And we are right under that.
Yes. So
yeah, okay. Now let's get into it.
We're placing 3 grand centerpieces in the center of the 2 stands to make a smaller grounded arch. So I am gonna place 1 of each on this side, and Abby's gonna have 2 of each on her side. When you can get it Whole Foods. Then the Marlowe on top. Outside. And then you can either put them in front and kind of trail the garland like this, or you can put it behind, but I feel like in the front blends it a little bit better. Okay, change of plans.
Change of plans. We're turning our center grands on their side.
That looks.
And again, this is an SBB tip. If you want more florals showing with your grands on the ground, just put them on their side.
I'm going to incorporate Millie and Marlowe throughout the grand centerpieces. Stick them.
Ooh, this looks so good.
Really? It's gonna like bring it in.
Alright, finishing touches.
Kinsley Posies.
Kinsley Posies. There you have it, a colorful wildflower ceremony backdrop featuring our Kinsley, Marlowe, and Millie collections. These 3 collections blended so seamlessly, and we hope Ainsley loves how it turns out.
Yes.
And just a reminder, this season for our how-to with SBBlooms, we're taking requests from you guys. You can drop your inspiration pictures, which are key to this whole series. Let us know your budget, what area you need help with design for. And we will pick a new one each week to recreate with our flowers.
Yes. And so if you are trying to find that form, it is in the description, along with our Amazon storefront that we just launched. So be sure to check that out. And if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See you next week.
Bye.